Welcome to Ajayasthro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the current trends in maize prices across India, influenced by supply constraints and recent government policies. As of August 29, 2024, maize prices have been on a consistent upward trend in key cities. This stability is primarily driven by ongoing supply limitations and strong buyer interest. Maize sowing has seen a notable increase of 0.6 million hectares compared to last year, reaching a total of 8.7 million hectares. The Indian government has recently implemented policies that could further influence maize demand. The approval for the use of B-heavy molasses and sugarcane juice in alcohol production, along with the allowance for ethanol distilleries to use Food Corporation of India (FCI) grains, has the potential to bolster maize demand. Ethanol distilleries are now permitted to participate in e-auctions to acquire rice under the Open Market Sales Scheme (OMSS) during August-October 2024. With an ethanol blending target set at 20% for the upcoming marketing year, the demand for maize as a feedstock is expected to rise. In Gulab Bagh, aggressive buying and limited arrivals have kept prices steady between 2,520 rupees and 2,620 rupees per quintal. In Tamil Nadu, maize consumers are paying between 2,860 rupees and 2,870 rupees per quintal, although suppliers are hesitant to sell at these levels. Meanwhile, in Tuticorin, resellers are paying a premium of 2,910 rupees to 2,925 rupees per quintal for imported maize. In Bihar, stockists are confident that Kharif maize prices will remain above the 2,300 rupees mark. The current pricing of 2,550 rupees to 2,600 rupees per quintal is expected to hold strong, with minimal pressure anticipated from incoming Kharif supplies. In Pune and Nasik, prices are consistently quoted at 2,980 rupees to 3,000 rupees per quintal, although buyer activity has been somewhat subdued recently. Looking forward, maize prices are expected to remain stable or see a slight firming in the near term. However, any significant price increase seems unlikely unless ethanol producers ramp up their purchase activity. With fresh maize crops expected to arrive in Maharashtra by the end of September, we could see a potential price dip in the second week of September. In the Jalgaon zone, warehouse quotes are currently at 2,800 rupees per quintal. Brokers are seeking selling quotes around 2,250 rupees for October delivery, but suppliers are not inclined to sell at those rates. The upcoming Kharif maize harvest in Maharashtra appears promising, with a projected increase of 10 to 20% over the regular crop. This increase in supply, coupled with robust demand from ethanol producers, may stabilize prices. While stocking Kharif maize may not seem highly profitable at present, the involvement of ethanol producers could make it a more viable option in the near future. As always, we'll continue to monitor these developments closely and provide you with timely updates. Thank you for watching this analysis on maize prices. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Ajayasthro Money Guru for more in-depth updates on the commodities market. Stay tuned for our next video.